Clarissa Shields was walking around here this week. She was at the weigh-ins. She was here tonight. She seems to think that a series of boxing and MMA with you.
She saw tonight. I think she's not gonna want anything to do with this.
No? What about you? Is it something you want?
If she wanna see me, come to my ward. I'm gonna be here. I'm an MMA fighter. She wanna see me? I'm gonna wrestle the shit out of you and finish you with a jiu-jitsu submission. I wanna see how she's gonna feel. That MMA fighter, why she wanna take me from my sport? If she wanna fight me, she come to my ward.
It's MMA.
You know, like, doesn't make any sense. I respect her as a boxer, but I'm an MMA fighter. I don't like fight box. You know, I like MMA. I like what I did it today. If she handled that for 5 rounds, come see me.